baby, 1948 Chevrolet Stylemaster. The working man's car. The cheapest model you could get for a Chevrolet in these years, in late 40s. Good old unkillable. I think that's a 216 cubic inch stove bolt 6-cylinder cast iron wonder. Look at that, everything is there. You can see the coil, you can see the air filter, oil filter, you can see everything, distributor, carburetor, exhaust manifolds. Fantastic. I'm here, by the way, in Carlton Place here in oh man, look at that Chevelle. I'm here southwest of Ottawa. You have to excuse me, I'm a little bit tired. I think the pericarditis is acting up today. But I had a beautiful ride with Ed and his father's Vista Cruiser wagon, and man, I mean, it's just fantastic to cruise on down the road on the highway with that thing. It's just beautiful, floats like a butterfly. Boy, this reminds me of a friend of mine's car. I used to have a 47. Never got it running right though. One time we drove it, it was nice just to drive it one time only, and it conked out on St. Hubert Street, or Plaza St. Hubert is. I wonder if that's the original color. Clearly it's a repaint. I like it though, because it's got that police car look, eh? Yeah, of course, as usual, I'm goo-goo-guying over a 40s four-door sedan, plain Jane sedan. I parked with the muscle cars there. Nice Chevelle though, I like that. Yeah, 268 Chevelles. There's at least two of them here. There's even 267 Chevelles parked next to each other. That El Camino is not common. Yeah. These are not common around here. You go out west, you're going to find that. That's where we're all from, practically. What the hell's with that exhaust, though? That's weird. It's like larger than normal. Looks like an exhaust tip you would have bought at Canadian Tire back in the day. Oh, man. Wish I brought some aspirin. Maybe somebody's got some aspirin here somewhere. I can't believe we're here in the car show in the middle of October. It's unbelievable. It's just baffling. Baffling. It's got some, it looks like there's some old seat covers on this thing, eh? Well, you know, I've said it before and I'll say it again, in those few cars I've filled from this era in the 40s. You know, I've rode in a couple of these cars. Man, it's just so cozy to ride in these, you know, because you're riding up higher than the cars of today. It's like a truck. It's just like a truck. Windows are small. Beautiful. Anyway, thanks for watching.